Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're here, it's probably because you're facing the dreaded error. This version of Vanguard requires Secure Boot to be enabled in order to play Valorant. Don't worry, you're not alone. This issue has been frustrating a lot of players, but I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to fix this Secure Boot error so you can get back to playing Valorant without any hassle. Stick around because we're going to make this process super easy to follow. Let's get right into it.